Hello. Ooh, la la la. Alright. Look at that, we got music. Wow. Anyways. So. Oh boy, what's that? What am I doing? I don't know. Let's just get there. Alright. There we go. Oh, we're not playing any music from that. We don't have to worry about that. Let's close that window. There we go. Alright, yeah, close. There we go. Okay, we're not working on that today. What we are working on is this game called Amazeing. Why is it called Amazeing? Because I didn't think of any other better name to call it. It's a maze, 3D maze game. It's getting pretty cool when it's finished. Whenever I finish it, that's still kind of uncertain. But it's once in a lifetime that I get to actually work on it. Mainly because I'm busy. No, but today we are actually going to be working on it. It's gonna be cool. So if you don't know, I have streamed development work on it before, on the game, once or twice maybe. And there's a demo release, but I'm just gonna quickly show off what I've kind of worked on since a while ago actually. So hold on, I'm gonna turn on the music a bit. I'm gonna close these windows first. Jeez, so many windows open. That. Let's do this. Yeah, that's fine. All right. So, look in the bottom corner. I do have Nightbot with song requests. So if you're watching and you want to change the music, then you are welcome to do so. Just nothing annoying or stupid or inappropriate. Alright, and nothing like copyright concerning. So, adjusting my seat. There we go. Alright. I'm just gonna quickly do a Discord announcement to everyone working on come and watch. Alright, so now, yeah, let's do it. Let me just edit my game. Or chat and stream chat. There we go. Right. Yeah, if you don't know this, I actually, it's a log, I don't know. Probably shouldn't show that. I actually have a stream chat that's integrated within my own server. All right. Ow. I'm getting a report from Amelia Sherbert spamming. Hello. Let's see here. So I'm going to be doing today actually involves a separate program, GIMP. So I'm gonna create a new. I thought I already did. Yeah, I already worked on this. Wait, no, what? Whatever. We're just gonna start over. I got busy with other stuff. So 64 by 64 image, blah. And if you're how to make a straight line in this program. but not just any straight line, a straight diagonal line. Oh, actually, no, that's right. I wasn't going to do that. Yeah, it's discard changes. We're going to discard that. So, what I'm going to do is go into materials. So, if you noticed before, when I was running this, playing the game and all, after the menu transition, we got that little intro there. Before, it was just like fade from white. You also might notice some warping effects, like in the corner. I'm still kind of working on that. Probably will remove it. I don't know. Okay, and that there's no fade out transition quite like it yet. The music I can talk about later if you want, if anybody asks, but I on that too. Yeah, there's a lot of things yet to be talked about because I did quite some work on it. Cool. Yeah. So I'm gonna be furthering those cool special effects by opening this up. So what I'm going to be doing is trying to create some sort of visual effects thing. I don't know. I'll see what I can get, what I can possibly do. Watch it that I sent you on Discord. My other Discord? Oh boy, that is my other Discord. Yeah, I don't think you sent me any video. Also my chat phone isn't working right now, very important. I don't think I have any thing. Hold on. Here. No, you haven't sent me anything. Sorry. Yeah, I don't see any video or anything like that. Or is that not working? Chat, Twitch. Oh, here we go. What is this? Whatever. We'll just continue on. So, got this reflective one here. Let's put that reflective one there, and then let's see. Shaders compile. Something's gonna be happening. There we go. Where's the ground go? Honestly, I actually don't know where it went. So it's a visual effect. No. Don't laugh at me, that's mean. Whatever. So break this, click apply, and then the ground's back to that. Well, just wait. Ooh, there we go, there's the ground. Alright. So what this thing here pretty much does is it visually displaces. Okay, bye. See how it is? This visually displaces the ground. Now I will be using it for another transition. But all this stuff here was just testing and it didn't really work out. So let's get a texture sample. There we go. And then I think tile. Time of day. Okay, yeah, basic grid will work. Now I want to actually multiply this by -1 so that I can get the, oops, -1, there we go. So that I can Just kidding. That doesn't work. No, it's 1 minus. There we go. So now, yeah. Actually, I'm gonna make that a bit stronger, so I will actually multiply by 10. Cap it at clamp. Yeah. Clamp 0 to 1. And there. Alright, so now we got nice, solid squares pretty much. So we're gonna add, let's see here. We need a time variable. Let's do a plane because we're gonna be using planes for this. Ooh, look at that reflection. It's not ray traced. Speaking of ray tracing, I could test out ray tracing, except that really buggy in Unreal Engine and with this game in general, and like the way that I made it, it has a huge emphasis on reflections and whatnot, and the whole ray tracing thing doesn't really work out for that. So I'll work on it later. I would definitely like to have it in the game, but that's not really gonna happen, at least right now. So yeah. Okay, let's see here. What am I gonna do? I think. So if I just do like add, if I do this plus this, and then put it there. Now try and period over 1 second. What did it do? It's like, oh yeah, I can see it moving like up on the top, but it's not a lot. So what we're gonna do instead, multiply. We're gonna clamp this. At least, actually, no, I'm just gonna add 1 because we want it from 1 to infinity. So multiply that, and then we put that right there, or position offset. Yep. Is it doing anything? I don't think it's doing anything. Let me try increasing this. Oh boy. And close BattleNet and all the origin. Close that. Exit. Oh boy, exit. There we go. Alright. That's not doing anything. Let me try breaking these steps temporarily so I can see a little better. Oh boy. Let's try that. No, it's not doing anything. Okay. Not giving up quite yet. Let me just undo all those. Yeah. Alright. Let's try the add again, because that kind of worked. And anything? Kinda, yeah, okay, no. It's kind of moving. You can see it slowly moving. Very slowly, actually. Should be solvable with multiply. We won't need this. This is right now just testing it. Testing. Oh boy. Oh, what was that? I don't know. 10. Multiply by 10. Now it should move faster. And there you go. Alright, so now you can see moving. So that's what this world position offset does. It allows you to move this is a material, it's like a texture with complex values to make it seem like realistic, like you can add a reflection and whatnot. And you can also displace the pixels. And that's what I am trying to do. I'm trying to displace them based off of this image. But this is the result. So we're gonna have to try something a bit different. Let me just, actually, I'm gonna see quickly. Multiply that by 10 and just put that in directly. I just want to see what the result is. I don't know. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, that's not true black. That's an issue. Definitely. Let me try. Wait, hold on. Let's see output of this. Ooh, look at those solid white lines. I'm trying to find this 100, 1000. Ooh. Even whoa, those are, oh yeah, okay, that's better. And then this and this, yeah, all right. We have a nice distinct grid pattern. So now, let's make a vector. Vector, make float, that's why it is. It's not a vector in this thing, it's a float. Ooh, floaty. Let's do a cube so we can see more dimensions of it. Alright, not quite working out. No, not really. Can you think texture coordinate? I think I need to add this in. What the texture coordinate does is it pretty much allows you to repeat patterns and textures and whatnot, so that you can get a large continuous effect. This landscape doesn't really have it because it's reflective, but this material right here does use the texture coordinate quite a lot because that will allow it to repeat all the tiles. So I'm thinking that's kind of what we need here. Close that, I don't need that anymore. Look at that dramatic music. Let me find, since nobody's putting in music requests. Interact. Let's see here, what do we got? That, nah. Is it just repeating? Same, like 5 songs? Come on. It would be nice if it could shuffle. Yeah, it's just repeating the same 5 songs. What's going on? Hold on. Playlist, import. Let me try re-importing. Wait. It's just so hard to use. No, whatever. Keep playing. Go Apex. Stream manager, what's that? I don't know. Alright, so my bot, that's what it is. I'm just gonna fix the song requests because the playlist doesn't seem to be working as well. There's not enough songs showing up for some reason. It should be this playlist right here called streams. You might have seen it for a brief second there. Okay, I'll just, I guess, let that run in the background. Unless, wait, hold on. I can just add some city. Or Alright, well, whatever. Poor music selection for now. I'll fix it like next stream or something. Anyways, as for this, be nice if this just worked. Whoa, that's really white. Ooh. Alright. Enough with the spinny cubey thingy, whatever it is. Blah. Just curious, what does this look like? Ooh, wow. I'm gonna go Google search it, cause why not, right? Maybe position offset. Position offset. Here we go. Why not show it on here? There we go. All right. So yeah, this is the sort of stuff you can do with the more position offset. That's also really interesting. The direction of the vertex normal animated with a sine wave. I'm guessing that's moving back and forth. Direction of the vector. Oh boy. It isn't that quite complicated. That's not what we're trying to do though. So there we go. Alright, while using lower position. Keep in mind the render still uses those original bounds. Wow. That's true. That's the reason why this here, that's the reason why the terrain didn't show up. Kind of. No, actually it wasn't. It was just flat out off the screen. Okay, so UV layout to world space position? Is that a thing? Layout to world space position. Use the world coordinates offset input to visual coordinates in 3D. Huh. It's got a text coordinate there too. Wait, what? Oh, it's 3D. Interesting. Okay, whatever. You know, I could let's drag this over to normal. Okay, at least that kind of, wow, that's really something, isn't it? The normal, oh, that's weird, it only shows up on one side as well. Wait, hold on. Is that the displacement? I don't know. That is, ooh. That's actually kind of cool. I think I'm gonna keep that. But that doesn't explain why the position offset's not working. If I just let's just do single. Actually, let's do a 3 vector. There we go. And then in the Y direction or the green direction, because why not, right? And then that didn't do anything unless let's choose something. Huh. Okay. Let's just add this here. Save. It might not show up in the preview for some reason, although that was the case for that other thing that I was doing last night or yesterday, a few days ago. I don't know. Wow, that's a weird grid pattern there. But the displacement, it's not working. Let me undo the grid pattern. I think it's a bit too excessive. See if this works. Just as something to displace the terrain. So if it works, then this trophy here should be partially buried and it's not buried. Actually, wait. Oh no. No. Let's try the. Try that. Go. What? Did I do anything? Oh. Studio mode just in case. Okay. Nothing happened, right? Yeah. Alright. Okay, so yeah, this is working. This texture here is slightly displaced. And as a result, this trophy here is partially buried. So now, let's figure out how to get it here. Alright, so let's try this actually. Just this. So the way that the some of the materials work is that if you look here, there's the XYZ coordinate plane. If you know, like 3D coordinate system, I guess. There's X, Y, and Z, and these actually correspond to the colors right here. So X is red, Y is green, blue is Z. What? Y is green. Yeah, okay, never mind. So if this here is the vector x0, y0, z10. It's also red 0, green 0, 10 blue. And the displacement's still not working. So, like, that didn't even matter. Maybe it's not big enough. That could be. Yeah, minimize this. That's what. Okay. Oh, excuse me. So if we wanna 0.5 to 0.5, let's try that. This should, yeah. Yeah, the music's gonna be like repetitive because I don't have it all set up right. That's not right. There we go. Anything? Hello? No, nothing. Shouldn't be that hard to do. I'm just taking a texture and like displacing it based off of that. Multiply. What? Let's see what this results in. Anything? No? What that? What does that do? This shoots something. Yeah, okay, you saw it? Yeah, see? It's raising right there. So... Can I not do partially? What? Anyways, if you want to confuse your players with what's going on, that's this is how you do it. Ooh, or actually it'll make a cool looking rising sea level, except there's a better way to do that. Yeah, still not quite sure what's going on. Yeah, actually, hold on, I'm gonna try something. Distance from world position to camera. World position. There we go. Let's just see what this looks like. Ooh, history. This looks like, okay, what we had before. Like at the start, where you can't see anything. Current pixel in world space to visualize simply plug into output into emissive. Okay, fine, emissive. There we go. Break that too. It's very blue. I don't get it. I don't get what's going on. This is all just a bunch of math, like calculus and differential equations. I'm not even joking though. Okay, so the cube, yeah, there's a cube. Whoa, that is weird. That thing's like rotating or something. I'm gonna click apply and see what happens, honestly. It's gonna be kind of a mystery. This is what the world looks like. I thought the reflection is actually quite different. Anyways, here we go. Whoa. If we go up, we will never, ever see it because it is out of our reach. So, you know what I'm going to do is we need to get the distance of only the X and Y directions. So we're going to do mask, component mask, and rendering. And then get the length. Yeah, that's what we want. Length, vector length. It's a vector 3, not a vector 2. Wait, no, vector 2, not a vector 3. V2 length, we multiply there. Click apply. Realize that there's not much of a difference. Except it only goes away the further you go. So let's divide this by more. How about that? Oh, 1,000, just 100. Click apply. Okay. This might be interesting. Wow. Wow, that's really interesting. And that's sarcastic as well. I don't know what really is going on, honestly. But can kind of see it curving upwards. Kind of. It's very glitchy. Actually, this is kind of cool if it weren't for the glitchy particle effects. Let's divide some more with the hopes of... And also let's clamp this. Clamp. Can I just do a clamp in? There we go. Minimum 1, maximum doesn't matter because we're only doing 1. Anybody watching? We got the bot. Lame. Saying if you were watching, I would be asking you to guess where the song comes from. But nobody's watching. Also the terrain's glitching. Let's see. Let's do divide by 10. You know, I'm using Streamlabs OBS, which is good for games, but not for anything else. Okay, it's kind of good for something else. I mean, I'm obviously using it right now, but like you can't set your own game or like Unreal Engine or Amazeing if you want to stream that. It only has a set list, which is disappointing and annoying as well. Okay, so now, wow, that is actually very subtle. But I think let's try lowering this value more, and hopefully we can see the effect that I want while not having it glitch out on us like there's no tomorrow. Okay. I don't quite know. Hello. Let's just see if it, let's play it. If you don't know already, I am currently working on this game called Amazeing. It's going to be a maze game. That's why it's called Amazeing. Maze. Got a demo. There's a little scrolly banner thing on the bottom corner for you to, with information and whatnot. But right now I'm working on some visual effects, and they're still glitching out. I was working on some transitioning effects, but I just passed that on for another time in favor of another effect that I've been thinking about doing, where it's like a curved map, more or less. Like the further you go, the stuff in the distance looks higher and more elevated than what it actually is close up to you. I think I'll need to actually go into one of my levels to see it accurately, so I'm gonna do that. Let's go into, let's see here, maps. Cancel this one. Here we go. No, not level. Well, no, level 5 is different. Let's not do level 5. Level 4. All right. Ah, yes. Level 4 is a little secret room there. Nothing special. Actually, is special. Anyways, so we got all these mounts here. Hopefully, this sort of stuff is gonna go good with the material. Reflective. Oh, nope. Okay, put there. There we go. Alright, hopefully the visual effect will be strong here. I don't think so. No? Okay. Well, I'll keep it to some extent. Let's go back to the Star World. Oh, what's that? Ah, it's just nothing. Remote desktoping, creating a second monitor, that's what it was. Using screen space. So let's, where we want to go? We want to go, minimize that. Go back to the start level. Or start, there's start, okay. Alright, so, oh boy, look at that glitchiness. Going back to the original task of trying to get some sort of level in transition effect going. So we got this here. I'm going to click apply. And what the result is. Aha. So, yes. There's a terrain up there. That's what's ideally supposed to happen. According to the code, at least. So I need to add a divide. Dividing by this by like 10 or something. And then put that into a position offset, click apply. Alright. So it's elevated. But okay, this is better. Oh boy. Except for that. All this glitchiness that's going on. But you know what? Let's still try it. Because this is going to be a transition effect transitioning in. So let me just pull over this time here. Time to stop. Okay. Okay. Apply. Now it's over the period of 10 seconds. Whoa. Huh. This actually could work. Whoa. Very glitchy, I'd say. But some work, a few adjustments. Yeah. Let's do period of 5 seconds. By 5 seconds, I want it to look pretty much normal. So I'm going to multiply this by like the value, 10,000 or something. Alright, so this, okay, you saw it for like a second, but it's not enough. Absolutely not enough. I want it to be like noticeable, but not like, you know, eye hurting or anything like that. So maybe like this. This might work. And aha, okay. Yeah, something like that. Now, I want the stuff to, in the distance, to be a bit more noticeable. So, let's see here. My clamp divides. Multiply this by like 100. And we're going to clamp yet again. Clamp. Clang just sets. If it goes below the minimum, then it will set it to the minimum. That's pretty much what a clamp does. So we're going to apply. Save. Minimize. Alright. Whoa. Yeah, that's a bit too strong, but that's more or less kind of what I want. Yeah, let's keep adjusting it. So lower this value. Oh boy. Okay. All right. Apart from the map loading glitches, I'd say it's good. Wow, that actually is really annoying. Let me just, I'm gonna make it a bit faster, just a slightly faster. Hold on. Just managing some stuff over on my side window. There we go. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. It's so nice how the compile shaders goes into like negatives. Alright, yeah, I think this is good. So we're gonna turn off that period. We're gonna test it in game. So we're gonna click play. We're gonna wait for those actually to go. Alright, there we go. Alright, play. Save selected. And alright. Ah, yes, I do have the other transition effect, which kind of canceled it out, minus the glitches, of course. Let's just quickly double check something. Huh, okay, so, alright. A few things not showing up as well with regards to the... No, actually, never mind, actually, they're fine. This little ground tiling thing, I didn't see that over there, and I must have not put it over there. Thought it was gonna be a problem. What? Is there an invisible cube over here or something? Yeah, there is. What? Alright, we'll just ignore that for now. Okay, so... let's actually make this slower. I just made it faster. Let's try 75. But thing is, if there's like a one transition and another transition, you're not going to see the transition. Lots and lots of transitions. All right. Here we go. Aha. All right. So yeah, something almost like that. Almost. What's that little thing doing there? Thing shouldn't be there. That thing. That I was doing some testing, that's probably why. Here we can just, okay, that should have done something. Whatever. Alright, so yeah, I think in terms of the terrain, what I was trying to do, I think this is actually good enough. Yeah, so like on a map like this, it's actually not going to be noticeable. But unless you look close enough. There will be a few maps where it is noticeable. Ooh, already unlocked that trophy. Alright. Okay, so a little bit of explanation. Let me turn on this sound volume first. Turn that down. Alright. Turn down a little bit more. There we go. Okay. So this is the, as of right now, the tutorial level of the game, although I do plan on changing it, so that's a little easier to follow, because there's like all these pop-up messages and can get confusing, and there's like whole maze. Can you jump on it or not? Yes, you can jump on it, but that might not be clear. So the music is part of a progressive sort of sounding music idea that currently in the progress of working on. By currently I mean I am quite delayed on it, and also I am not that good at making music. But point of this song is that as you progress through the level, it changes to sort of tell you how far you are in the game. So if I am going to mute the mute that. Okay, go back in here so you can listen to it better. So I'm gonna turn up as well. All right, there we go. Turn up. So we got this simple music. We go further, and it's a bit different. I don't really like the second part as much as I thought I would have, so I probably might change it. And then you go into the last part, and it's different once again. Alright, some other things to note. The weird warping effect, I think I'm going to remove that eventually. I can find the... let's move on. Ooh, jump. Alright, there we go. Go into here. Alright, next level. Something else that I've added, some few new skyboxes. Trying to work on that. There's also some cloud shadows on the ground. They don't actually match what's in the sky, but I think they're cool. Anyways, that effect right there is a cube, one of the cubes, being destroyed by that evil red cube. I know that sounds kind of weird, but that is part of the premise of the game itself, and I've added the destruction effect to help emphasize like more or less what is going on. The fact that these things here, which you can shoot at, if I can find one of the things to shoot at, they are invading. That one's too far away. They are invading this land, and by the end you're going to save it pretty much. Oh, they're both over there. Yeah, they just kind of wander around. So do the little cubes as well. If you sit idle for like 10 minutes at a time or something. Oh yeah, they do that as well. They glitch out. But if you like sit idle for a certain amount of time, they're all just going to fly away and they can't reach them. There we go. Alright, so yeah, if you shoot at them, they fall endlessly down into the void. And you get an achievement for that. There's going to be lots and lots of achievements. Oh wow, actually that's the first time I did that. Walking on the cubes. You can't really, not supposed to do that. But if you manage to do that, then who's stopping you, right? Yeah, I can probably fix this issue of the particles kind of having a mind of their own, honestly. I'll worry about that more towards once I get the rest of the game done. So up there, that's a little golden trophy. I've decided to add one to each level, where it might not be like hidden, like the trophy around here in this corner. I mean, it's not super hidden, but like still takes some finding it. Takes some effort to find. And there's that trophy too. They're not going to be the most hidden trophies, although they're going to be very challenging to actually obtain. They usually are going to involve having to shoot the projectile at a very precise spot. Like during my own testing, I can't even like hit it. Although I do make sure that like I'm 99% sure that it can actually be hit, so it's not going to be all impossible. But it's not going to be like super easy or anything either. It's just a challenge for those who are seeking the a super difficult challenge going into the end game. Okay, that's not supposed to happen, but we won't worry about that for now. Again, I can fix those destruction particles. I'll do that later. Okay, hopefully though they... Here's one of the cubes inside the maze. The cubes are supposed to be like some living creatures or something. They like fly around, they sort of go towards one another. Maybe they'll check out the player. That's also something that I would kind of like to more emphasize greater. The fact that the cubes are indeed living and curious too. Even though they are just basic cubes. It's difficult, the whole idea of storytelling with an inanimate object. Alright, so we notice I just picked up this cube, this not to be confused with the floating cubes. This cube here is a marker. Now, the testers testing this game, a few of them requested a system to keep track of where you've been. A lot of them say to like have a breadcrumb sort of path tracing method or something like that. And I think that would be too easy, like too much cheating, especially for a game focused primarily on a maze. So as an alternative, there's these markers here. You just run into them to pick them up, and then you right click to set them down. Of course, you can change all this controls with the settings here. They are color coded, so you can like remember the purple one goes to this area right here, which I haven't explored yet. And you can like place them pretty much wherever you want, but you only have a limited amount of them throughout the map. So you have to, they help keep track, and you have to use them on your own terms pretty much. So this is level 2 of the maze. I might skip to level 3 is kind of long, so I might not do that. Actually, I'll start off, show off some of the things that I've been working on that level 2. So if you've seen before, or if you play the demo, this level is in the demo. It looks different though. I've been doing a lot of visual changes to make sure that things aren't like eye destroying or anything. Oh boy. Okay, just ignore those, please. Okay, so now we shot the walls, we shot the red walls. There's going to be different types of walls, if I remember. Yeah, the demo, once you play through the demo, you're going to be facing one of the other types of walls. And then I made another type of wall and another type of wall. Lots and lots of walls. The walls are pretty much what are used to block the player from advancing. And to destroy the wall, you have to solve a puzzle or collect an item. For the red walls, it's to collect an ammunition or the little balls. Excuse me. Thank you. Nope. Okay. There they go. All right. Okay. All right. This is getting kind of annoying now. Got it. How am I doing? I'm kind of upset right now because these aren't letting me pass through. Other than that, okay. Not sure what's happening there. I'm doing fine. How about you? How are you doing, Anthony? All right. Well, while I wait for chat to sync up, there we go. All right, we got through. Let's keep continuing to talk about the game. So, level 2 is pretty basic. Good, playing more Apex, almost level 300. I think I'm also almost level 300. I think like 280 or something last time I played. I'll stream some more Apex later on, maybe during the week. Or some other time. Probably won't do play until I win again. Cause like so RNG about how quickly you can possibly win. Anyways, it seems like I have the audio on this level misconfigured. Yeah, okay. That rain effect's gonna be kind of annoying. Okay, so this is level 3. To further show off the story of the world of how the red cubes are being very destructive and disruptive, I have this crack, like some fungus or virus spreading around. If you walk up to it, then your screen also has like a red glow and whatnot. And the red cracks also show up around the spinning red cubes, and if whatever they come close to, these cracks will show up as well. And as you progress through the level, these are going to be more and more apparent. They're also going to be somewhat distracting. I'll probably have the red cubes as well become obstacles. I haven't implemented that yet. Other than that, like if they roam around to the middle of your play area, then obviously they're going to be an obstacle. But they're kind of on a mind of their own for now. That missed. Alright. So, yeah, this is the third level of the game. It's a circular level, but it's also pretty long, so I'm going to actually go to main menu. I'm not going to solve it now. There's actually 2 different ways you can solve it. There's the, that's the level transition that I was working on. It's most apparent on this level, apparently. Which kind of makes sense, because it's all flat. Actually, no, I haven't implemented it anywhere else, so that's why. I can do that off screen. That's not much anything interesting. Anyways, but here we have level 4, which is pretty much at its ready for like the beta testers to test out. So this features some new mechanics, including this green cube here. If you notice, I just picked up the ammo and shot the green cube and then just dragged it right to there. That's going to be pretty big emphasis of this level. So we can, that path right there, that was blocked off. And we go over here just for fun. Up there, that's the little golden trophy for this level. Again, kind of difficult to get. Probably easier than the second level, but still pretty difficult. If you can get it, then that is pretty good, actually. So this level, this area here is also blocked off, and then that crack shouldn't be here. I gotta fix that. Anyways, there's that pipe there pointing to the wall. So what we need to do is figure out where that other pipe, the other side of the pipe goes, see how to activate it, and then we should be able to walk through. So the only place where we could walk through is this area here. We got a wall over there that's blocked off right now. We got this little wall here. We got that there. I'll talk more about that little area later. And we got over here a sphere instead. And it's green just like the cube. We can push it around. We don't have any ammo, so we can't really pick it up right now, but if we did, we could shoot at it and then pick it up. But it's pretty easy. We can just push the cube, push the sphere. It's not a cube. Push the sphere over there. Here, I'm going to turn back on the music now that I have it. The game. I don't think there's any music in this level. Some of the music, by the way, on the library, I didn't really configure it that well. I do have Nightbot with song requests if you're interested, but the music's mainly from the game's Hawken, which is like a battle mech game. That's I just muted it. It's from Hawken. Cool game, but it died out sadly. The company kind of went bankrupt, and there's also Apex Legends, as you can hear right now. This is like the, I think, alternate main menu or something. And then I also have Titanfall 2, a few songs from that, and Titanfall, because Titanfall 2's music is much more different, at least in the soundtrack. It's more like a movie soundtrack because it's mainly from the single player campaign, but still good. Also, I just noticed this wall here is rotated the wrong way. So is this one. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh boy, that's not supposed to happen. That is definitely not supposed to happen. Yeah, it still happens. It's kind of rare. If it happens again, then it's annoying. All these glitches and whatnot. So we can just walk back up here. Anyways, okay, it just fell. Even I'm not that good at playing at my own game. Kidding. I am right now the best player because it's not released. So therefore, I can call myself the best. Anyways, here we go. Okay, I can't tell which way the rain's facing on that wall. I'll look at it later. Okay, so we're in this wall here, pretty much. This is a wall that we're walking through, except it is obviously much more than a wall. And oh no, we're trapped. What are we gonna do? Shoot! Oh no, that's the wrong texture. Okay, we might be wait, no, that's I'll fix that later again as well. So actually I kind of cheated and collected that ammo, so I could just use that, and but we're gonna pretend like that's not a thing. The song playing right now is in Apex Legends. If you play through all the quests, including the last one, you're gonna be hearing it. Alright, so pretend like that wall needs to be shot, so we just shot it, even though that isn't really the case. So now pick up this ammo. What's around this corner? Oh, well, marker. Just to help you keep track of where you've been. Oh, what's this? A cube, huh? More Apex also. Yeah, is there another chat? Hold on. Oh, okay. Onwards. Alright, so we got the cube. We're gonna take the cube. Oh, I spent a lot of time trying to get the cube to pretty much not clip through the floor. It was doing that before, but now I fixed that. Anyways, we can take the cube over. We're just gonna keep it. We can't really do anything with it right now. Just gonna keep it right there. Use this marker. Just shove it right over like here, I think. Keep track of where we were. That's a dead end. This part of the maze isn't really a maze. It's I got lazy and just created like 3 long paths. Anyways, we got a sphere here. And if you noticed over here, we had this circular switch. The shape of the switch does correspond to what physics object activates it. So the cylindrical switches only activate with spheres, and then rectangular are cubes, which we will need over here to get our way out. There we go. All right. That we might be seeing more of that. I don't know. Don't worry about it. There we go. All right, we got the key, and we got this triangle here as well. There are also special triangular switches. This one you probably would have noticed here when you were walking through this area. So that goes right there. And then this weird room that I tried making into a second environment or something. There's a trophy here. Oh, look, I never even unlocked it. Well, now I did. Maze and a maze trophy. So now, pretty much got everything in this secret area. We can just walk out. And... okay. Huh, it didn't show up. Don't worry about it. We're gonna shoot those things though. Yeah. Shoot the bad guys. Okay. Okay, that's definitely interesting. I might have soft locked myself out. Yeah, I did. Huh. Isn't that funny? Wait, no, actually, I think... nah, okay, we're fine, we're fine. I didn't actually soft lock myself out. Although I will adjust that. Ah, yes, that's fine to do. Alright, that happened again. I can explain kind of what's happening in that case. Why, when you walk through this hallway, it sort of flashes like that. Alright, so now we can continue onwards. So let's just see what's over here. Huh. Well, would you look at that? It's the pipe that we saw before with the green switch there. Maybe I'll look at that. Also a marker. That's gonna come in handy later and some ammo. Alright. Excuse me. So maybe we need to go over here to this little area. Unlock that and see what's in here. First off, if we go this way, it's very repetitive and kind of annoying actually. Very flashy too. There's some free ammo. You don't really need that to solve this part of the maze, but you know, it comes in handy once in a while. If it's free, then you should probably take it. Alright, so we walk through here. Oh boy, what the... there's supposed to be a cube here that got stuck here. Looks like it kind of got destroyed. We won't worry about that. If I can move, we won't worry about that. Ugh, I really need to fix those. Okay, so we got this. Wow, that was actually pretty easy. We got the cube right here. And if we continue onwards throughout the maze, we might find some other things like ammo or maybe a marker. But I'm lazy right now, so we're not going to do that. Also, there might be a trophy somewhere that you can find. The trophies are like the collectibles in the game. If you collect all of them, then you win a prize. There we go. What prize do you win? I actually haven't really determined that yet, other than like an achievement. Okay, so now... Ah, yes. This part of the maze is now opened up. Alright, so we are going to be... Let's just do some exploring. See what we find. Alright, a marker. Okay. Haven't been using them, but you can use them pretty much anywhere. Okay, some ammo. Alright. Alright, I think before there was a wall that we need to shoot down, so that'll come in handy. What's up here? Oh, wow. Ah, there's 3 walls. Well, let's just let's try this one. See what's over here. Ah, another marker. Wow. And that's another cube fragment. These things are multiplying, and this is problematic. Alright, we'll just mark that there. Let's see here. Put that there. Might as well use them, right? Okay, what's over here? There's this little golden triangle here. With some other colors that I still need to figure out how to filter out. I'll talk about that later. I won't do anything with it right now because it doesn't go anywhere, but that will be something. What's over here? Oh, that's the way that came in. Thanks to that yellow marker that I placed, I know that. So let's go over here. See what this is all about. Go down this here first. Anything interesting? No, I don't think so. Just a large maze. Oh wait, what's here? Ah, yes, some ammo. That'll come in handy. What else we got? What's over here? Nothing. Alright. What's down here? I think... Ah, yes. There's some ammo up there. How are we gonna get there? That's an untextured texture as well, so I need to fix that. There we go. If you collect that ammo, you actually get an achievement. I already got that, obviously. You don't get repeat achievements or anything like that. Anyways, so now we got 2 ammo. And anything else down here? Okay, so there's some sort of trigger here. Probably need that later on. But I don't see the triangle that would trigger it right away. There's a evil red cube. Okay, and what's over here now? What would you look at that? There's a little golden trigger over there. And a spherical one, cylindrical, and a rectangular one. Okay. Oh, look at that, a little golden cube. I wonder where those go to. There's the triangle. Oh, there's a golden wall here. I wonder if you put all those, activate all those triggers, if the golden wall will open up and a surprise will be revealed. Because that is exactly what happens. But we're not going to do anything right now because this triangle here isn't working properly. Okay, that's really weird. I've not had that happen. Whatever. All right, so we're gonna use the markers that we placed down before to get back out. All right, now I think we go this way. Yep. Okay. And but we needed that. We need to activate that one area. So there we go. I think that was up here. There was a triangular pad that needs to be activated. No, not up here. Further down the maze. Alright, let's go further down. Yeah, I think. Nope. Nah, yes, here. Is there bunny hopping in the game? In your imagination. You can do sprint jumps and whatnot. Do you think Ash is going to be a new legend for season 6? I think there's a rumored legend. I forgot, but it was like in some news article or something. I think it was a leaked legend. I think she's more likely to be in season 6. I do think they are going to be in Olympus, but I do not think Ash is going to be the new legend because frankly, I don't really see Ash wanting to be a legend. Considering she was like a Ragnarok. That's what she's called? Okay. But Ash... Yeah, Ash was in... She was in Titanfall 2 as a... Oh boy, there's some big cube things. She was in Titanfall 2 as a pretty important character in the campaign. You didn't defeat her, but you did... Actually, did you defeat her? I don't think so. She was one of the faction leads as well. But I think just because of her state, the fact that she's all wrecked up and whatnot, I don't think that will make her a viable... I don't think that'll make her a legend to be playable. I think what's more likely is that Vincent Dynamics is going to start playing a role. She's going to be helpful for the new storyline. Yeah, so I think it's going to be more likely that Vincent Dynamics is going to get involved, like how Hammond has gotten involved with the season 4, I think, when they changed up World's Edge. And then there was also one thing that seemed to kind of disappeared. Somebody picked up an Ares display pad or something like that on World's Edge at one point. I saw it on Reddit. It was like only one post, and I haven't seen anything else about it yet. But that could be hinting towards something else. Ares is Ares was a faction in Titanfall 2 allied towards the IMC, who are like the bad guys in the frontier pretty much. And Hammond, by the way, founded the IMC, which is kind of weird because Hammond's still around. But yeah, I think Ares might have something to do with Apex in the future. There's a golden sphere. I am looking for an extra ammo piece because I need to bring... What do I need to do? Oh boy. You know what? I think I'm gonna... I think they leaked in the beginning. Ash is just a distraction. I mean, they haven't really leaked anything about Ares, apart from that one pad thing that you might find. I don't really even know where to look for it, or like if it even is still around on World's Edge. There's also a lot of other unanswered questions as well in the game, like regarding Pathfinder, where his creator is, as well as... I might have ruined it. Screw this up a bit. Oh boy. That's not supposed to happen. Yeah, I think we're just gonna go into the third person view. Yeah, so Pathfinder has his own thing. There's Octane and Lifeline, who probably is the most likely course of action that the game's gonna take. And then there's, I think, Revenant and Loba's kind of, yeah. I think Revenant Loba's kind of finished. That might like develop a little bit more, but not too much else there. And then send you video on Discord. Okay. What else? Crypto, yeah. Him too. Actually, his sister might become a lead. No, I doubt that. One thing most probable is development of the Syndicate, the secret faction that kidnapped First Animation.
Hey guys, Sethley here back with another Apex Legends video. I hope you're all having a fantastic
Wrong one.
day.
Alright. As I was saying, I think they're going to do more with the Syndicate and revealing who they truly are. The Syndicate was mentioned like once in Titanfall 2 if you gen up. That's it. Oh wow, they already found her abilities. Oh wait, no, this is okay.
That Sheila is Rampart's real name, as the name makes a lot more sense and it seems to actually fit her. Along with that, Sheila actually means heavenly in Latin, and as I'm sure you guys are aware, the next map is taking place in the heavens, and it's called Olympus. So it's very clear that these names connect into each other, but it's really just unknown how. I just wanted to make sure you guys did know, just in case if Rampart did get released under the name Sheila.
Honestly, I don't really like the leaks. There was actually, yeah, that's true. There was a whole, hold on, let me just Apex Legends character list leak. There was this leak here that was posted on Reddit a while ago, and it just seemed kind of rather disappointing because like it was all this secret stuff that the devs wanted to hide all of a sudden was just released. And also it also seems kind of unrealistic because I don't see any way how Blisk is going to be a legend in the game considering he's the one running the games. But yeah, there's this whole list here and it seems like they have a lot of information about it. Wow. But yeah, that's Apex Legends. World of Titanfall as well. I think once the whole Apex story is over, it's going to lead into another Titanfall game. Might not be like Titanfall 3 exactly, but actually probably will be Titanfall 3 honestly. But probably might not be called Titanfall 3. And might not be like the previous two Titanfalls either. Because even though Titanfall 2 is fun, and Titanfall 1 is less fun but still pretty fun, I think the whole characters in Apex Legends is something that would really benefit Titanfall, and it's not present in Titanfall 2, apart from like the single player campaign. Like you're gonna get a few characters, but they're more or less just like repeats of each other, like a bunch of mercenaries just fighting in a war, and it's all serious and sad and depressing. And they got Apex Legends over here, which is like Mirage and Pork Chops, and then Pathfinders wants to make everybody happy, and then there's Octane on drugs and Lifeline and so on and so forth. A lot more character. Okay, so back to my game. Not sure where that sphere This is supposed to go. Yeah, this level is almost complete, but not quite there yet. There's... Oh, maybe it's in here. This whole maze area that I skipped because I found a little ammo piece. Okay. Yeah, not quite done with this yet. Yeah, this wall is missing an activator. It's mostly done though. How long have I been streaming for? 131. Okay. I'm gonna showcase level 5 as well. I haven't done any work on this besides what would be in my last blog post. You can view the blog at amazeing.gq, amazein.gq. But this level here is the largest level yet. And actually, I'm going to see what it looks like because it's mostly terrain. Wait, no, hold on, I don't have the terrain. Never mind. Let's quit out of that. Quit out of that. Quit. There we go. Okay. Yeah, this level, I'd say it's at least 50 to 75% done. And then got here, this nighttime level, which I still need to do something about how the lighting is going to work and whatnot. It's also underground, which is kind of interesting. Bad size. Oh no. Why is it bad size? There we go. Alright. Here's the bonus level from the demo. I haven't changed anything about this apart from maybe this terrain here. This here. Not sure why this isn't textured, but okay. And right here, this is something that I'm working on for the end. It's gonna be like a final boss or something. The boss is gonna be that big red blob right there, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna play this. It's actually kind of interesting as is. Yeah, this is pretty scary and cool looking at the same time. You can run through it, but you don't have to run through it. What's that doing here? Normal cube, wow. Whoa, and it just blew up. So big. Yeah, and then you can walk up this rampart. Ooh, which I made a bit more challenging. Before it was just like a straight walk, and then I guess a while ago I actually added some more obstacles, although I also removed a few because it was actually difficult. And then, I don't know, you do something up here. Whoa. I think that was intentional. Hold on, let me check. The bridge breaking like that. Over here, yeah. Yeah, okay, it is intentional. If you walk over this bridge, then it falls down. Alright. I think, hopefully I'll be able to do more of these kind of live streams because I would like to actually get some progress done on this game. Because I've been quite busy lately. having an internship during the weekdays. So I don't really get much time to work on this. So you know what? I don't really have a schedule, but I'll schedule every Sunday having a development stream where I get some real progress done. This was more or less just an overview of what I have been doing. So yeah, I think I'm kind of done with this for today. As we listen to the epic Hawken music exiting out, I am going to transition to the end. And there's transition. Excuse me. Okay, there we go. Alright. So, if you're still watching, or if you are watching the replay of this, I will upload this to YouTube and you can watch it. I think it was actually quite interesting. Yeah, see you. Be sure if you want to try out the demo, amazeing.gq, and come back later for some more updates and progress and whatnot. Be sure to subscribe and follow and like and a lot of fun stuff. If you choose to do so, I'm not forcing you to do anything like that. But it really shows that providing good content. Otherwise, by all means, please tell me what you think, good or bad, and I'll try to improve. So yeah, has this been working? Yeah, okay. I don't know. I thought for some reason it was muted here. Okay, so yeah, be sure to check on in later. Might do a stream tomorrow. I don't know. Stream sometime during the week. Maybe not. Who knows? Try doing streams on Fridays. I think I like that idea. Yeah, maybe like an Overwatch stream or an Apex stream with some people. Also, I don't have anything to show right now, but maybe another stream with the Google Glass. I did that a long time ago, like at least a month ago or something. And also some other weird tech, maybe like Rocket League with the Wii remote. I've done that before. That was pretty fun. Not like in stream, but yeah. And then using old PS2 era keyboard and mice to play games, and a few other ideas. If you have any ideas, then by all means, send them in to me. So yeah, with that, thank you for watching and goodbye.